You might like again.
How is the Lulu experience?
Very nice.
How is Lulu Bengaluru experience? Yes. What did you say? Very nice. Same feel. Same feel.
Very good.
Very good. Okay. So
Feel of India Lulu actually.
yeah, with more Indian products. It's good to see Lulu, right? Yeah, it's good. Bengaluru at Whitefield and very near to our house in the VR Mall, right?
Nice.
Are the products made in India focused? Huh. Now I don't know how is the quality, but India also getting the huge, like the bigger consumable items, all big ones, big ones. A wonder shop product. Show me the ghee batti. That's a good, and I am just planning to buy this one. So Lulu is getting bulbs and all basic things. See this Diwali lights. Maybe I will buy one kadai. Trying to figure it out whether we have made in India tag. Marketed only, right? So we want made in India. Yeah, we are trying to see many, but we are not able to see. Only marketed by only and distributed. Where is made in India tag? Hope Lulu listening. Proudly we have got one made in India, Gala. This says made in France. I don't know where is made in India. I'm still searching for one. The lunch box options, right? So many are there. Lulu has its own brands. Again, let's check out the made in India option.
This is Dublin.
Okay.
So to help the world, not just India.
No, but made in India, in India I am just looking for one made in India brand. None of it has made in India. So La Opala, Borosil and Lock and Lock. I really want to know which one has made in India. It doesn't say made in India anywhere. Only their marketing office, registered office number. Details, registered office details. Everywhere, like whether it's La Opala, Borosil or Lock and Lock. Only the Lulu said made in Thailand. Right? नहीं ये मेड इन इंडिया नहीं लिखा है.
But this one on the ladle is Mumbai.
मुंबई.
But इधर ना मेरे को all at all. वो बड़ा वाला है. वो छोटा भी ले लो.
मतलब उसका ये पेट्रोल इसमें मुंबई रखा है.
Memory
Manufactured,
foam,
memory
best
foam.
for back and side sleepers.
Okay, so it says made in India. Okay, we can take this one. Right? Nice. Memory foam here. Some offer. Something very exciting. What is that, by the way?
150.
Oh, the old money. What's the price of it? Coin collection, coins and currencies. Who is selling?
Oh,
Oh,
300 rupees में look at this. They tell you which countries also.
oh notes. Okay, ऐसे collect नहीं करने का. You travel around the world and you collect. I have a nice dream for you. Look at here. Somebody can pick up one of the stickers. Eesh.
I'm getting it.
ये सब अच्छा है देखो. The baby on board तो already I had put right long back. I think the Lulu. Now I wanted the expiry is not there. 20. I would prefer if they give some latest manufacture. This is 23 and we are in already 25. I know one more year is to go, but then I don't want to buy processed food 2-year-old.
வெச்சு எல்லாம் இருக்கணுமா?
is so fresh. Beetroot India Ooty. The color itself is so catchy. Very nice. This is that Bangalore Katrika, va? No, this is a nool kol. This is another vegetable for Kootu Prithvi. This is Bangalore Katrika. This is known as chow chow. It's English name. Is it? Kohlrabi. This is chow. So, picking up this kohlrabi. This is nool kol, which is we make koot out of this actually. Right? This is okay? This is okay? Okay. Banana flowers. Malabar cucumber. See, they have very nicely labeled. See, let's take the banana flowers. We'll take this one also. Looks very fresh. Banana stem. We have all the pickle options. Salads, bakery. No? Good to see the pie in green. See, so many. See, mini almond tart green. So many options like the green for vegetarians like us. Wow. Mixed fruit Danish. See, all are kiwi Danish. The green, again pineapple, again in donut also, all green. See, green color options are there. All green, that too, green options are there. Chocolate donut, chocolate. Happy to see all green mark. That's nice. Let's take one brown bread or multigrain, whatever. Like one we can pick it up. Atta kulcha, that too, again green. See, nice. Nice, good. Pick it up. ले लो कुलचा ही है ना. प्रीमियम कुनाफा. यहाँ पे जाकर नहीं अभी लुलू में. Are you sure about it? Jackfruit is there. देखो, you want jackfruit? See, jackfruit options. All the brands, yeah. Whatever we are getting outside Middle East, all are available here. Yeah. The best part is like, whoever the Middle East return, people will not miss anything here. The world over brands, in fact, not even Middle East. The world over brands, Lulu is trying to bring in under its roof. Lulu is safe, Lulu is secure, 100% international brands are available under one roof. Always it's a pleasure to shop at Lulu with family And the same experience they have got it in Bengaluru Whitefield. These are exclusive like rice powders. Dal rice powder, curry masalas, garlic chutney powder, groundnut chutney, again groundnut chutney powder.
काजू नहीं आते
So how was the shopping experience, guys? That's how you have to clean it before the first use. Yeah, so here we go with our today's shopping billing. Cafes, Lulu cafes, we missed it. The checking, the finally, what is that Lulu is going to give you?
Guys, please don't invest your time because I need to start.
The VR mall, which was supposed to be very silent mall. Once upon a time, maybe it was very active, but the last time after Corona, when we saw it, it was extremely very not this crowded. Lulu has made it so very happy to see VR mall revived because of Lulu. Thank you, Lulu, once again. Guys, are you going to put it now? Special recommendation. You have purchased about 10,000, and what are you going to get?
500 rupees
Okay,
on 10,000.
on 10,000. Okay, and that coupon you can reuse for the next.
Yeah, but man, a coupon, you have to spend 10,000 in Connect
Huh?
to get
So already what we have spent for that they are not giving anything.
another coupon you got.
Okay. Oh, win, no, that you have already signed and put it, right? Glad? Happy? mall, Lulu also kept one outside back to school. So this is extremely good. If anybody wants just focused back to school items, are all available under the open space. Okay. So we are done with the shopping, Lulu shopping. So guys, okay, he badly wanted a pillow, so he's happy to get it. Yeah, that's good. So how was the shopping experience? Good, good. Prithvi, how was the experience? Enjoyed? Same? Any difference between both? Not really? It was both are same, right? Almost.